दोस्ती, कहो तो एक लफ्ज, मानो तो बंदगी, सोचो तो गहरा सागर, डूबो तो जिंदगी, करो तो आसान, निभाओ तो मुश्किल, बिखरे तो सारा जहां, सिमटे तो सिर्फ आप और हम. With that beautiful thought, I welcome all of you to another exciting episode of Z Connect Season 2. Are you connected? So let's begin today's show with our very own front page.
Sharjah will mark Earth Day on Sunday with the launch of 10 reverse vending machines, which is a part of the city's My Bia Recycling Rewards campaign. The machines will be installed at high footfall locations like Al Majaz Park and Al Qasba. The machines will accept plastic bottles and aluminium cans and award a point for every deposit, which can later be redeemed. Residents can also sign up for the loyalty program and avail rewards for their recycling efforts by visiting their online portal www.mybia.ae. The Dubai Press Club has announced that leading Arab professor and space scientist Dr. Farooq Al-Baz will be delivering a keynote address on the opening day of the 11th Arab Media Forum. The event, which runs on the 8th and 9th of May, is pegged to be the largest media event in the region, drawing participation from more than 2,000 media practitioners from around the world. The Arab Media Forum 2012 will feature 8 panel discussions and sessions that will be led by more than 70 distinguished media persons and political leaders. The nomination process for the Sheikh Zayed Book Awards is now open. According to sources, the Board of Trustees have set 30th September as the last date for nominations. The award is open to a vast range of categories varying from children's literature, young author, translation literature, literary and art criticism, Arabic culture and non-Arabic language, publishing and technology, and cultural personality of the year.
इस रोज बदलते दौर में, नए रंग में, नए तौर में हमने रिश्तों को बदलते हुए देखा है, लेकिन आपका और हमारा रिश्ता तो हर गुजरते दिन के साथ गहरा ही होता जा रहा है. तो इसीलिए हम आपसे मिलने आए हैं आप ही के घर. So let's see who is our Z family this week with Andrea.
सुबह होती है रोज शाम में ढल जाने के लिए, शाम होती है रोज रात में ढल जाने के लिए, और हम आते हैं हर हफ्ते आपके दिल में बस जाने के लिए. This week on Z Family, we are with the Suits and let's get to know them a little better. Hi everybody, how are you all?
Hi.
Hi, hello.
Tell us something about yourselves.
My name is Puneet. I'm into media sales. It's been over 2 decades in this part of the world. I'm into media sales.
I'm Shivani. I'm a homemaker. I work and I have this lovely, cute little naughty daughter Mihika. And I have my husband Harshal, who unfortunately couldn't be here today.
I was on my way to Delhi via Pune. And we happened to meet over lunch at a common aunt's place. And it was, well, they say, love at first sight. And yeah, that's how we got together. And it's been 30 years. It's just getting better. It's aging like good wine. And yeah, we're looking forward to a few more quality years now.
Tell us, what does family mean to you all?
A lot of people dismiss family as a bond, it's a special relationship. But over here we've tried to practice bonding in a little special way. It all starts at home. We practice the whole thing starts off at home. Essentially, we all have one meal together, which I think is very important as far as family bonding is concerned.
Family defines who I am, and they stick with you through thick and thin, and I mean, they mean a lot to me.
Family means a lot to me. Actually, it's very difficult to describe in words, but it's a lot. It means a lot to me.
Tell me, what do you think about Z?
You know, when we came here roughly 2 decades ago, I think the only channel which I can relate to is ZTV. So that's something you guys have to be proud of. A lot of other channels did come in subsequently, but if I stretch my memory, yes, it is indeed Z.
काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. In each and every, I think, soap, there's a
message that you learn.
Zee TV is a family channel, a channel which we can all sit together and spend some good time, watch some good quality TV, some very nice lovely shows. We have Dance India Dance, Yahan Main Ghar Ghar Kheli, Pavitra Rishta, very nice shows showcasing our Indian culture, the festivals we celebrate, and a lot more.
Zee family, I belong.
Zee family, I belong.
Zee family, I belong.
Zee family, I belong.
Zee family, we belong.
Thank you everyone. It was a pleasure talking to all of you. And if you wish to be on Zee TV, all you got to do is subscribe to the Zee Family package or do write into us at zeefamily@merazeetv.com.
Time really flies when we are with you. So without wasting another minute, let's have some fun together. Time now for our fully fried section. So people get ready to mold and twist your tongue a little bit with this week's tongue twister. The black boot bought the black boot back.
Okay, the boot black bought the black shoe back.
The boot black bought the black boot fast.
The boot black bought the black boot back.
Okay, but I'm not very good at it. In fact, not good at all.
The boot black bought the black boot faster. The boot black bought the...
The beat black bought the back feet.
I don't think I can go faster than this.
The black boot bought the black shoe back.
Boot black bought the bat.
नहीं यार.
The beat black, yeah, bought the beat black.
नहीं यार.
Boot black bought the bat. That's it. I can't do it.
The boot black bought the bat book.
The boot black bought the black boot back. The black boot.
The boot black bought the black boot first. Backpack, right?
Black shoe, black boot bought the black boot back.
Boot black got the bat, blue bat, whatever.
The beat boards bought the black beat back. Black boot bought the black boot back.
The boot black bought the black boot pack. The boot black bought the black boot pack. The boot black bought the black.
The boot black bought the black boot back. 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 The boot black bought the black boot back.
तो क्यों भेजा फ्राई हो गया ना? Do you guys need a break? No? Well, I really think you should take a break.